이? 라소, 아니, 계란소, 대보인배.
À, nghe để phô nhìn về.
ngã tuyệt bố yin.
Ngazzo 대포인배.
나초,
라소
대보인.
대보인
나초, 봐. 오케이? 나, or 나초. 오케이? No problem.
Răng sổ về. Sổ về. Phô nhìn về. Ngã. À chô. Để yo nhìn.
계란초, 대보인배.
Cái
then
răng
say,
sổ.
나초, 대보인. Like this. 하고, if I say, 계란 대보인배, then you can say, 나 대보인. 하고, okay? 대보.
Ngã để phô nhìn. Dạ.
계란.
Okay? Like this. Okay. 라스.
Ngã sổ để phô. Ngã sổ để phô nhìn. Okay.
초, 대,
Ngã chô. It's ngã sổ, ngã chô.
나초, 차.
Ngã chô. Okay, ngã chô. Để phô nhìn. Yeah. Okay. So what is the meaning of ngã chô?
We is like this.
We. Okay. We.
Because
Okay.
we know nga, 계란,
Yes. Yes.
those all are singular. Then when
Yes.
you add 차 나르초, it becomes plural.
Yeah, plural. Okay. Nacho. So we. Okay.
It's 콩, then we know 대, then
Mm-hmm.
we know 디.
Mm-hmm.
Just add 초, it become plural.
Plural. Okay.
나초, we. 계란,
We.
계란초, you people. 콩, 콩초,
Kongcho.
them.
Okay.
they.
They show is also
Hey, that.
they.
It's
That.
all those.
Mm-hmm. Those. Okay.
And then this.
This.
Oh, what is the plural of this?
This. This.
These. Like this. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Last. Oh, Tashi Delek. Oh last. For a few days we have been learning Dreldra.
Grenda.
Dreldra. Okay. Delta la particle nga yurwa. Ki yi. Okay. And what they show? They show connection, relation. In English, you may say possession. Okay. If it's tricky, you can think of it as a possession. Oh, like this. Okay. Ki yi delta ray. Okay. Then how to use the thing? Then di kapar di nge re. Kapar di konki mare. Kapar di nge re. Like this. Okay. Kapar di McGregor ki mare. Kapar di nge re. Okay. Pineapple di nge re. Pineapple di konki mare. Like this. Okay. Oh yeah. Then anything. Tap di nge re. Tap di konki mare. Like this. Okay. Then if we wanna say plural, tap di nga re. It's ours. 탭디 나츠레. 탭디 콩츠레. It's theirs. Right? Just like this. With the kongcho, you just add akigui. That's it. The particle. Kongcho, akigui, kongcho, theirs. Right? Like this. Then natsu, ours. Like this. Then singular we know nge, like this. Okay. Okay, so let's practice a little bit, okay? If some new words coming up, I will suggest you to write it down, okay? Like this. Tade, sha kikushi, ma kikumi, shimi, meow, re. How goes one? Shimi, meow. Okay? Like this. Okay. Tade, question. Just like,
Tencent la.
yes.
What is that called? She.
Shimi.
No, the word is what? Sha. The letter is sha, huh? It's like mixed with the na. Looks like na, huh?
It's called sha.
Sha.
Sha. Really? Okay.
Like Shah of Iran, like the Shah, the sound.
Sha, lower.
Shah.
Sha. Like
Shah. Okay. Okay, so Shime means cat, huh?
Really? Shimi ketri.
Shimi, okay.
Just
Okay.
if I say kapar di su re. Kapar di su re. Su, you know this. Su, whose. Kapar di su re. Then I would answer kapar di nge re. Like this. Okay? Just like that, I have written here a small conversation. Okay? Yeah. In the Yenhongla, Yenhongla, kirang dire, nga dire. Ako suma? Lo a.
Shimi di suje.
Shimi di nge re.
Shimi di konki marebe.
Mare. Shimi di konki mare. Shimi di nge re.
Ale. Shimi di keranki rebe. Rewa.
Rewa. Re. Shimi di nge re. Just like this. Okay? Pay up. Never chase on. Tainda. Yeah. And Claire, you wanna try?
Okay, I'll try. Shimidi sure.
Pay up. Shimi di sure. Pay up. Shimi di nge re.
Shimi kong.
Shimi di.
Shimidi kong ki. Marepe.
That's it. Marepe, negative. Repe, positive. Both are question. Okay? Shimi di konki marepe. Like this. You are asking me a question. Okay? Then I would say, mare. Shimi di konki mare. Shimi di nge re. Like this.
Okay. Ya,
Ale.
ale. Shimi, shimi,
No problem. A, tha, kiku, di. Okay?
shimi di, kirang ki, repe, kirang ki, yeah,
Kiranki, rewa.
repa, okay, repa,
Pa mare wa. When the pa is
wa,
the second or third syllable, you read it as wa. So rewa is like the same as repe, question, but rewa is more like a confirmation. Okay? Like,
yeah,
this is cat. This cat is mine, right? Or this cat is
yeah,
yours, right? Like this.
yeah,
Rewa
okay,
is like a question of confirmation. How about,
yeah,
okay? You
like
want,
in French.
that's it. You want to repeat after me? Ale.
Okay.
Shimi keranki
Shimire,
rewa.
ale, shimire,
Shimi di.
keranki, shimidi, keranki, rewa.
Then I would say re re. Shimi di nge re.
Rere, shimidi, nyere.
That's it. I'm saying shimi di nge re. Just like that.
Asu.
Okay? Very good. No problem.
Yeah.
Practice reading, okay? You know how to read one by one. Now you try to read it in the sentence and slowly, no problem. Okay? Payabo. Tujiche, Yabulapson. Okay. Yeah. Chiginda. Kamachigua. Nurmala inda, yeah, Nurmala.
라,
Nurmala, kirang di inda. Na dire. Laso.
하구성,
Shimi di sure.
시미디, 녜레,
Shimi di konki marpe.
마레, 시미디, 공기 마레, 시미디, 녜레,
Peyago. Ale, shimi di kiranki rewa.
레레, 시미디, 녜레,
That's it. Peyago. Yabu lapson, tujiche.
우지시라,
Laso. Ta inda, ya. McGregor la inda, ya. Tavshiche. McGregor la. Shimi di sure.
Shimidi ngere.
Shimi di konki marpe.
Mare shimidi konki mare shimidi ngere.
Ale, shimi di kiranki rewa.
Shimi re shimidi ngere.
That's it. That's it. Yabu lapson, tujiche. Hola, so. Ta inda makla inda makla. Makla inda. Shimi di sure.
Shimidi not ngere.
Shimi di konki marepe.
Mare. Shimidi konki mare. Shimidi ngere.
Ale, shimi di kiranki rewa.
Rere shimidi ngere.
That's it. Yabu lapson, tujiche. 라소. 오케이. 다드니. 야, 왕물라인다. 왕물라인다. 응. 계란 디인다, 왕물라. 딜로아.
디수레.
시미디, 네레.
시미디 콩기 마레베.
마레. 시미디, 콩키 마레. 시미디, 네레.
아레, 시미디 카랑기레와.
레레. 시미디, 네레. 빼야고. 두지치. 라소, 왕물라. 다드니, 야, 다랄라인다. 다랄라. 트라이 치기인베.
La la.
야,
Shimidi sure.
시미디, 네레.
Ale. Ale. No, shimire konki marepe.
시미디, here D, okay?
Yeah, shimidi konki marepe.
마레, 시미디, 콩키 마레, 시미디, 네레.
Ale. Shimidi konki kerangwa.
케랑키 레와.
Keranki reva. Yeah, reva. Sorry, reva.
음,
Ale shimidi keranki reva.
레레, 시미디, 네레.
Nere.
Just like this. Okay? 빼하고
아,
투지치.
그것이.
이렇게 달아라. 야, 제클라 임베, 제클라. 제클라 인다. We can change the shimi to other object, okay? 제클라 인다.
Okay.
딜로.
탭디 수레.
탭디 네레.
탭디 콩키 마레페.
마레. 탭디 콩키 마레. 탭디 네레.
아레, 탭디 케랑키 레와.
레레. 탭디 네레. That's it. 투지치.
두제제.
I'm very happy. Our pronunciation is very good. Okay? Very good. 투지치. 트라시델렉. Okay. Oh yeah. 다 니말라인다. 니말라. 니말라. 키란 딜로아. 니 딜로키. 라스.
Kiran Marpo in
알레 라소. 니 탭디
Marpo.
마르포디 녜가레. 원포디 라스. 탭디 수레.
Tip di ngere.
아. 탭디 콩키 마르페.
Mare. Tip ji kongi mare. Tip ji ngere.
알레. 탭디 키랑키레와.
Re. Tip ji ngere.
투지치. 야 불러서. 올라스. 나드니 제조라. 트라이치기임베. 제조라 유나. 알레 메사레. 드니 손자라 유베. 손자라 트라이치기임베.
Sorry, I have a little bit difficulty. I couldn't get into the Zoom, and now I have only my mobile phone. It's a little bit difficult to see, so I'm not sure
No problem.
whether it's enough. I don't know why I couldn't connect. Did the meeting start 15 minutes later and
No.
half past European time? Okay.
But Sonia, I'm using my phone and it's fine. Do you know how to? You can zoom in.
Yeah. But I'm also late, you know. I hope I can follow. It's
Yes,
just a.
No problem. Watch the video.
I just came in. So I should read the first or you the first?
Yes. I can read the first. Okay. You try. Yeah. I'll zoom. Yeah. 탭디 수레.
탭디 ngere.
탭디 Konki marepe.
Mare. Tep di Kongre.
Konki.
Konki, sorry. Konki mare. Tep di nere.
Ale. Tep di keranki rewa.
Re. Tep di nere.
That's it. That's it. Yapoloson. Tujiche. Olas. Okay. Yapolapson. So if I want to make this plural, I will add here tsanarutso here. Okay? Ebditso. Like this.
Tenzin,
Yes, please.
is the lesser tsa, is that from the which is that from the ha
Yes,
category?
yes. That's it. You are right. Yes. By looking
Okay.
at the pronunciation, you can see it's ha category. Tsa.
Yeah.
Ha. Like this. Okay? Yagulapsong.
Thank you.
Really. That's it. Okay. So now I change them to plural. Okay. Oh yeah. So yeah, Marcelo la inda. Ani. Marcelo la kirang diin, nga diin.
Tepditso sure.
Tepditso ngere.
Tepditso konki mare pe.
Mare. Tepditso konki mare. Tepditso ngere.
Ale tepditso keranki rewa.
Re. Tepditso ngere. That's it. Tujiche. Like this. Yapo do.
So Tenzin,
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, go on, Mark.
Oh, sorry. So we don't change. We say tepdi and tepdiso. We don't change tep, even though it's plural.
No, yes, we don't change. Ditso is those tep. That's it.
But like in English, we say this book, those books.
Yeah. So not like this. Okay.
Okay.
Because this so is already plural, making books plural already.
Okay.
So we say those book. We don't say those books. No
Right.
double. Okay. Okay. Like this. Oh yeah. Bam. Like this. Okay. I pull up song. So similarly, you can bring any item and you can ask. Kapar di sure, tep di sure, shimi di sure, ki, whoa, ki di sure. Like this. Okay? Oh yeah.
What? Sorry, what was shimi? I think shimi I missed.
Ole shimi meow re.
Okay. I missed it because I was 15 minutes late.
That's okay, mare.
Okay.
Shimi meow re. Ki, whoa. Look tang ra meh. Okay. Like this. Okay? Oh yeah. That's it. Yeah, we'll have some. Okay.
Tenzin,
Yes.
may I ask, I was doing the prayer today and there was a word there, ha, nga, kiku, nga, and it became shin.
Which one? Pa?
In the pa, nga, kiku, nga, na, pa, na, not nga, pa, na, okay, kiku, and then na again.
It's not
Yes, and
na.
became shin.
It's sha. Okay, it's not na. You confuse.
Okay, so it's a
See,
sha.
Hmm?
Okay,
Pa, sha, kiku, shi, na, shin. That's it.
okay, now it makes sense. Okay, now it makes sense. And there was another word, pa, the word pa, and then naro, sha.
Which one?
No, not the pa, not the pa, the one that, oh, how do I show you? I don't have the alphabet with me here on this laptop.
Pa.
Yes, pa, naro, sha, sa. Yeah, becomes what?
Pu.
No, but it was written in English there, T-O, and then 2 dots on top.
That's wrong. You can see it's pa.
Yeah, that's why I couldn't make it out. No, that's why I was confused. Okay, the shin is explained, yeah, because I read it wrong, okay? But then the pa, naro, and then sa, and becomes T.
Naroko, sa, pu. Like
Yeah. So it becomes per, but it's a T-O, and then
Oh, that's I think wrong translation. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Tukjache.
That's all. No problem. Like this. Okay. Yapuduk. Yes, please practice reading also. Reading, writing. Okay. Then we also need to practice this sa kata ka or la kata ka or ra kata ka. Like this. On the top we have letters, right? On the bottom we have 3 letters, right? Ka yata kya, or ka ratak tra, or ka latak la, like this. Okay, we need to practice this. Okay, how to read them. Then there is one more in the bottom that is called wasur. It's like a triangle attached to the end of ka, wasuka, like this. But this doesn't change the sound. Its sound remains same. Okay? That's it.
What is it called? Vasu.
Wasur.
And it's like a smaller triangle, huh?
That's it, smaller triangle. And it doesn't change the
but the sound remains the same.
Yes.
But why then we have to put it there?
Just for different spelling. Okay?
Lasso. Okay.
Because they are same sound but different spelling. So like this. Okay?
For example?
Sa kata ka
naru ko nga kong.
Sa kata ka naru ko thaku, pa ka naru ko thaku. Tini. Right? So sound same, but they have different meaning. Okay? Like this.
Yang sung thang.
Sa kata ka naru ko thaku, pa ka naru ko thaku.
Cool. Okay.
So it's same like in English. You have a synonym. What does it call? Synonym?
Yeah, synonyms, yeah.
Like this. Same sound, different meaning. So like this. Okay?
It's called, I think, homonym.
Homonym. Okay. Thank you. Homonym. Okay.
Same sound, different meanings. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much. So my English, don't rely on my English, okay? Oh yeah, like this. Like this. So we have this same sound here. Kalatala and palatala. Like this. They are same sound, but we use it in a different purpose. Okay? That's it. I know it will be, it makes you feel like, why make it more, but you need to bear it, okay?
Yeah. Why make it more complicated? Yep. Okay. Okay.
Okay? That's it. I want you to know how to read them. That's it. Okay? And pronounce them. That's it. Then you can add the vowels, right? Kiku, shakyu, like this. Okay? Try to read it. Okay? That's it. Olas. That's it. Now you know where to put this particle. Okay? You have to put this particle to the thing that is related to, or thing that is possessed to. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Hola, so now we go back a little bit. Then mostly you learn how to answer in the class. Mostly I ask the question. So you can also, I suggest you to practice question also, okay? Like this. Tadi nyiduk hago sunga nyiduk. 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 Nyakiku ni ka ta shapkyu du ka sa duk. Nyiduk. Nyiduk umbrella re. Hago sunga nyiduk. Okay. Yeah, mark la inda. If I ask you. Nyiduk di sure.
Niduk konkire.
You have to say di particular. Okay.
Oh, niduk di konkire.
That's it. Niduk di konkire. If I ask you, Niduk di me repe. Niduk di me repe.
Mare, niduk di me mare, niduk di niduk di konkire.
That's it, konkire. That's Yagulasum. Okay. Yeah. And Cledla, you want to read this question for me?
Can I just ask a question? Why is nye spelt the first letter? That's nye.
Nya kiku ni.
Nya kiku ni. Is that the same as mine? Nye. I'm getting confused then. When you say mine, that's nye as well?
No. When you say nya, you have to touch your tongue on the upper mouth. Nya.
Okay.
When you say nga, you leave the tongue down there. Okay.
Okay.
Nga.
Okay.
Nye. Or ni. Okay.
All right. Thank you. Ni. All right.
Yes. So when you say nga, you don't use the tongue. You don't touch your tongue up mouth. Okay. You have to look at that. And when you say nye, it's same. Hagosuma.
Nye. Hagosum.
That's it. Now you want to do this.
Okay. Nie took.
Kiku is E, right?
Okay, ni took okay, ni took di
That's it.
Sure.
That's it. Now Yankerlodan again.
Ni took di Sure.
Yankerchik.
Ni took di Sure.
That's it. When you have a difficulty like this, read it 2-3 times.
Okay, ni took di Sure.
Like that. Ni took di Sure. Then I would answer Ni took di Konkire. Ni took di Me Mare. Ni took di Konkire. Just like this. Okay. Hola, so now we little bit know about delta, okay? How to use this. That's it. Oh yeah. I will have some. That's it. Then we did this already. Dösa di nge mare. Right? It's dösa. Seat. Seat di. If you go into film hall, there are a lot of seats. Then you, if it's not yours, you can say Dösa di nge mare. Like this. Okay? Then Lamkok di konkire. Lamkok 하고 순가 lamkok. lamkok shoes re. Lamkok di konkire. Lamkok di nge mare. Like this. If you want to make it question, then Lamkok di su re. Like this. Lamkok di su re. 하고 순가? Okay. Nade. Tap di nge re. Or tap di konki re. Or tap di enclair ki re. Tap di nyurme re. Tap di yenhong ki re. Tap di nime re. Tap di jeki re. Like this. Okay? Nade kankor. Kankor 하고 순가? Kankor bicycle. Kankor di me re. Like this. Kankor di nge re. Kankor di McGregor ki re. Kankor di Marcelo ki re. Kankor di Donald Trump ki re. Kankor di Elon Musk ki re. Like this. 하고 순가?
Tenzin Lao for Sonia Yi. Was it Sonia Yi?
That's it, Yi. Because when you say ya, there is no suffix, right? Yes. So we will say Sonia Yi or Sonye, like this. Okay? Like this. Very good. If you want to ask question, then Kankor di su re. Like this. Okay?
But Tenzin, when you say suffix, like, you know, for my name, for example, it's got the letter R at the ends of McGregor. Do you just mean like a consonant, not a vowel? So someone whose name ends in a consonant has a key.
Yes. When I say McGregor, R is the suffix here.
Okay. Yeah.
So I would say Kayata Kyakikuchi, like this. Okay. Don't think in English. Maybe when you say ya in English, YA. But in Tibetan, just ya. That's why I can know where is the suffix or not suffix. Okay?
Okay. Oh, yeah. I understand now.
Okay.
Thank you.
If you think in the English, ya has two
Yeah,
letters.
you get confused.
But in
Yeah.
Tibetan, it's just one word, ya. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm? Like this. Okay. That is Tengwa di lame re. Or you can say Tengwa di lama yi re. Right? Okay. Or you can ask Tengwa di su re. Like this. Tengwa rosary. Mala. Di Tengwa re di. Okay. Okay. That's it. This. Okay.
Tenzin, one question. This la me, wouldn't it usually be la ma, and la me is only the indicating that it's his?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
If you look at here, when you say la ma has no suffix. So that's why akigui.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
When you say nga, there is no suffix. So that's why akigui. Nge, la me, ni me.
And only la ma would be written la ma. And the ma, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I understand. Yeah.
Like this. When you say lama, there are two main sounds, right? But you focus on the last one. You look at the last one. When you say ma, and you look at it, is there suffix or not? If there is not, then you put akikui. Okay?
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Like this. Okay. 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 Now today, I want you to write this down. Okay? Nima Sapoduk. Nima Sapoduk. Nima Sapoduk. Oh, Nima Sapoduk. Nima Sapoduk. Sapo hot ray. Sapoduk. It's like a hot. How goes on?
So duk is hot, huh?
Sapo is hot.
Chapo.
Yes.
That's hot because duk is not hot. Okay. So chapo.
Nima san re. Sapo hot re. Then you learn the whole phrase together, okay? Nima Sapo duk. Like this.
Nima. Oh, Nima is sun. Yes, Nima is sun.
Nima Sapo.
Chapo. Chapo is hot.
Really.
Chapo hot.
But I would like you to learn the whole phrase like this, okay? Nima Sapo duk. Oh, Nima Sapo duk. Like this.
Nima chapo duk. Nima chapo duk.
Ma. Nima. Cha.
Nima.
Naropo. Sapo. Ha. Shabkyu du. Ka. Duk.
Ka. Duk.
Sapo duk.
But what's the difference between duk and re and yin? Could you say nima sapo re?
That I will not say it right now. It will just confuse you. Okay? Today we just put it down. Okay? Oh yeah.
Okay.
First we will learn how to say this. Okay? Then after we know how to say re, yin, duk, all these, then I will put them separately and show you why we say this. Okay? Right now, You just learn it as a whole phrase, okay?
So we cannot say Nima Chapo Re, huh? We have to say Nima Chapo Duk.
You can say this, but there are two different situations, and it's not good to confuse you now, okay?
Okay. So we stick with this Nima Chapo Duk.
That's it.
Okay. So
Nima Chapo Duk. It's like when you say, oh, Nima Chapo Duk, like this gesture, okay? Oh, oh, Nima Chapo Duk, like this. Okay? When do you say, oh, like this? In English, when you say, oh, that situation, okay?
but we don't say the word oh. We just say it like that. It is understood that we are trying to say that, oh, it's hot.
Like this. So,
okay.
Because in English, whether I say Nimat Sapo Duk, Nimat Sapo Yore, or Nimat Sapo Re, it's same. Sun is hot. That's it. But in Tibetan, they are all different contexts. You have to use it in different situations.
Okay. Lakso.
Like this. Nimat Sapo Duk, Hakosuma. Okay. Then
Yeah. Hakosung.
Tangmoduk, Achu. Tangmoduk, Achu. Oh, Achu, Tangmoduk, like this. Okay. Tangmo, cold. Achu is like a gesture. Achu, achu. But in English, it's a sneezing. Achu, like this, but not that one. In Tibetan, when you feel cold, you say, achu, tangmodu, like this. Okay? Achu, tangmodu. Oh, like this.
That's an important phrase for a Tibetan.
Sorry?
That's important if you live in Tibet. You need to know that phrase.
Yes. Really? Achu, tangmoduk. Like this. When I was little, we Tibetan, we don't learn what is Duk, what is Re, what is Yin. We don't ask this because we have been imitating our parents and speaking. Eventually, we know when to say this. Like, they never describe me what the difference and like, even in the school, you know. But from foreigners' point of view, I can understand. Okay? So that's why right now we will just imitate. Okay?
Yes, understand. Because even in Thai, the same thing. We are born with it, so we speak the language as it is. We learn. We don't have to go by the books.
Like this. Okay? Achu, Tangmuduk. Oh yeah, this one. Oh, tadi. Chadi, Tsapoduk. Oh, Chadi, Tsapoduk. Like this. Okay. Chadi, Tsapoduk.
So the first one, cha, is a new word now, new letter.
Ale.
Ale.
Chare, cha.
Cha, like E, yeah? Like E in English, E.
Cha.
Cha.
Cha is tea.
Cha is tea. Okay. Okay. Cha di.
Cha di sapoduk. Like this.
Tenzin La,
Yes, please.
what's the difference between that cha and then the cha like we have in without the flag, that one this you'd say zapo, the tsa without the flag, that isn't a cha?
No. When you say cha, it's a
Yeah.
category, right? When you say cha or
No,
cha.
I mean letter. Oh, okay. So without the flag, it becomes cha.
That's it. It's a ha category. Okay.
Okay.
Both of them
I
are
see.
category. Cha. It's like 1, 2, cha cha cha. That's one. Okay. Cha
Good.
and cha. We can see they both are ha category. Okay. Then cha is ah category. Okay. Oh yeah.
Tenzin La, so why do we have to say cha di chapodu? Why do you have to put the di there? Cha di.
Because you are talking about a particular tea. Okay. You are not generally talking. You are speaking about this one.
This tea, this cup of tea. Okay. Okay. So.
When you say you have to point at the object. Okay.
Okay.
Jadi sapodu.
Chapodu. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Tujache.
No problem. So then for negative we can say miduk. Okay. Miduk. Jadi sapo miduk. Like this. If it's not hot, you can say sapo miduk. So when I say, oh, you can understand when to say duk little bit. When do you say, oh, it's when you realize something, it's like a current perception and or it could be recent or current perception. Or new knowledge, whatever you want to say. Okay. Then you say, oh, like this. For this, you have to witness it, okay? You have to witness it. Okay? Like this. Oh, chadi sapoduk. Oh, chadi changmoduk. Like this. Oh, nima sapoduk. Oh, nima sapoduk. Like this. Okay? Like this, we can introduce some more. few more. Okay. Here you can see Shimpoduk. It's like a Shimpoduk. Pizza di Shimpoduk. Like this. Or cha di Shimpoduk. Like this. Okay. Shimpo. Delicious.
Meaning delicious. Okay.
Shimpoduk.
Shimpo. Okay.
So shampoo is delicious?
Very. Shimpo delicious, Ray. Like this. Oh. Cha di Shimpoduk. Oh. Mok di Shimpoduk. Like this. Okay. Shimpoduk. Then we have here Yakpoduk. Oh, it's good. Good, Ray. Yakpo. Ako sunga? Yaka yak panaropo. Yakpo. Yakpoduk. Like this. Okay. Oh, kapar di Yakpoduk. Like that, Chenpoduk. Big. Chenpo. Like that, we have Chung Chung. Opposite of Chenpo.
Yang ke sung tang shinpo. Shinpo. What is shinpo?
Which one?
Shinpo.
Chenpo.
Chen.
Big.
Big.
Chenpoduk. Oh, Kangpa di Chenpoduk. Like,
oh, the house is big. Okay. Chenpo.
Kangpa
Big.
di Chenpoduk.
Big.
Really big, Chenpo.
The big is for non-living beings, for the objects only, right?
You can say it to anyone. Okay.
Okay, even for a big person.
Really.
Okay.
So you can say, oh, Godi Chenpoduk. Like
Oh, got a big head.
Really?
Okay. Okay. And what is the one at the bottom?
Cha shapyu chu nga chung. Cha shapyu chu nga chung.
Chung. What is chung chung?
Oh, opposite of Chenpo. Okay? Small.
Okay, small. Chung chung is small.
Really?
Chung
Can I
chung.
just ask a question as well?
Yes,
Is shimpo used for food when you're talking about food?
The taste.
And yapo, taste. Yeah. And yapo is good for objects.
Yeah, object, and you can also say it for food also.
Okay, both. Okay.
But mostly it's for quality we are talking about when we say yakpo.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yakpo. So yakpo is for good in quality.
Yes.
Okay. Not in taste.
But nowadays people use it.
Okay. So better use delicious, huh?
Yes, we have a word shimpo. So
Shimpo.
we
Okay.
can
Shimpo is better. Okay.
And now you will see this here. Thapa dengbo pe. Pe tsapo duk. Pe is like a very. Okay. Pe shimpoduk. Pe yakpoduk. Pe chempoduk. It's like a very. Okay. Hola. Okay.
What was Sapo? Sapo. What was Sapo?
Sapo hot ray.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Ah, yeah.
Hot.
So when we say pe shapoduk is for what? This is very hot?
That's it. Oh, this is very hot.
Oh, so that means particular thing.
Yes.
Okay. 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 Lasso.
Okay. So then that's it for today. Please learn how to read them and remember how to use the Dreldras particle, the connective or genitive particles. Okay? And I will send this above conversation in the group chat. Practice it, read it. Okay?
Okay. In the WhatsApp or in this chat?
In the WhatsApp.
Okay. Tugjeche.
Lasso.
That would be helpful. Lasso. Okay.
Tugjeche.
Tugjeche.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tugjeche.
Bye-bye, tatra, sayonara. Okay.
Maybe you should learn also the Thai word, Ratri Sawat.
Nale.
Ratri Sawat is good night.
Ratri Sawa.
Ratri is the night, no? Sawat. Sawat is good.
Very. Ratri is a Hindi word also.
Ratri is a Sanskrit word. Ratri. Okay. Tugjeche.
So.